Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a something went wrong error on Mac, Twitter, also known as X. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening another app or website. If nothing loads, the problem is your internet, not X. Next, close the X app completely. Swipe up and remove the app from the recent app. Then reopen it again. This refresh the app and fix the small glitches. If the error is still there, restart your phone. This clear temporary system problem that may stop app from working. Now update the X app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type X. Tap update if one is available. Using an old version often causes error message. Next, turn off VPN or proxy if you are using one. VPN can cause block server and trigger the something went wrong message. If the problem continues, log out of your X account and log back in. This refresh your session. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.